Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 9S. So what we will need is next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and that is part of the box. So it's in the little white box here above, and if you open it you will see directly, here it is. So just remove the wings and you will have it. Yeah, otherwise you could use also of course the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So as you can see, we are able to insert two SIM cards if we want next to a micro SD card. So very nice. So let us start now with the first SIM card. It goes here in the middle. So missing corner and missing corner, and the contacts are below. And in case if you want to add a second SIM card, you can do that here at the first place. Also here missing corner and missing corner, and the contacts are below as well. Okay, and optional is to extend it also with a micro SD. I would recommend it to you. And then it has to look like this at the end. We can use the micro SD also with one SIM card now, of course. Or just one SIM card without, or two SIM cards without the micro SD. Everything is possible. The contacts are below. So, and after, put back your construction into the phone like this. And if it's stopped a bit, so shake the SIM tray a bit and be sure that everything is completely closed. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And sorry for the rain. If you hear the raindrops at the back, it's raining right now. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Maybe until next time. Ciao.